How to get dark mode on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can get dark mode on Instagram on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, in order to get dark mode on Instagram on iPhone, previously we used to have this feature, but now if I open up Instagram in the latest update, and even if I go to profile, you can see it's in the light mode. And if I just tap the three lines icon from the top right hand side, and then even if I go to settings and privacy, you will not be able to find the option to switch to dark mode anywhere else, because you can see the feature simply does not exist anymore. That is because Instagram is actually working on a new feature, and that is to adapt your device's automatic sync display to your Instagram application, which means that if your device will be in light mode, your Instagram app will also be in light mode. If your iPhone will be in dark mode, your Instagram app will be in dark mode. This is simply one of the limitations on Instagram right now, because they simply remove the feature to switch on and off between dark mode. To customize this, first of all you need to do is go to settings if you're on iPhone, then just go to display and brightness, then you just need to switch to dark mode. And now when you switch to dark mode, if you open the Instagram app, you'll notice that the Instagram app will also instantly switch to dark mode, just like this, as you can see. And this is the only thing that you can do right now. If you're using light mode on your iPhone and you want Instagram to be dark, that's simply not how it works anymore. So hope this video helped you, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, queries or doubts, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.